If your Yahoo Mail account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your Yahoo Mail address, any error messages you received, and details about your account activity that may have led to the restriction. Step 2. Visit the Yahoo Help page. Go to the Yahoo Help page dedicated to account issues. Look for the section that addresses account restrictions or suspensions to find specific guidance on how to proceed with your appeal. Step 3. Submit a support request. Fill out the support request form provided on the Yahoo Help page. Be sure to include all necessary details about your account and the circumstances surrounding the restriction. Clearly explain why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Yahoo. They may send you updates or request additional information to process your appeal. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up with Yahoo support. You can do this by replying to any previous correspondence or submitting a new request to ensure your appeal is being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Yahoo Mail. Good luck, and hopefully you will regain access soon.